Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss the application of differentiation. Here we have the second derivative test. Second derivative can determine the maximum and the minimum value of a function. If f prime c equals to 0, which means that we have a critical numbers or a problems. For the second derivative, we have greater than 0, then f has the local minimum at c. If we have a stationary value, then the second derivative which is less than 0, meaning that f has a local maximum at c. If we have a critical value, then the second derivative also equals to 0, then the test fails. Thus, the first derivative test is used. Here we have the example. By using the second derivative test, find the relative extremum of the function fx. Step number 1, identify the function. Step number 2, find the first derivative and the second derivative. So in here we have the first derivative, 3x squared minus 6x minus 24. For the second derivative, kindly refers to the first derivative and differentiate for the second time. So we will have 6x minus 6. Step number 3. Find the critical numbers or the problems. By using y prime equals to 0, y prime equals to undefined. So for this case, y prime equals to 0, we have 3x squared minus 6x minus 24. Kindly factorize the 3 and we will have x squared minus 2x minus 8. Factorize the situation, so we will have 3 bracket x plus 2 x minus 4 and x will be equals to negative 2 x equals to 4, where we have the critical numbers or the problem. So from here, kindly find or determine the value of y when x is equals to negative 2 and x is equals to 4. Kindly substitute the situation or the value into this part. With the help from the calculator, so when x equals to negative 2, y will be equals to 60. If x is equals to 4, y will be equals to negative 48. So in here we have negative 2, 60, 4, negative 48, which is a critical point. And here we have critical numbers or values. The question states that by using the second derivative test, determine the relative extremum of the function fx. So now what we have to do is to substitute the value of x into the second derivative, where we have 6x minus 6. F double prime negative 2 and we will have negative 18, which is less than 0. So this situation will be a maximum point, where we have negative 2 and 60. Next, if f double prime 4 and we will have 24 minus 6 and we will have 18, which is greater than 0. So this one considered as minimum point, which is 4 negative 48. So here we are, and thanks for watching.